Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you all my jewelry collection. You guys have been requesting me to do jewelry haul for the longest time and not gonna lie, I was ignoring this comment क्योंकि मेरे पास ना जितना भी earrings है, I have got it from local store, from like offline markets, and you guys have been requesting me so much and I was like, okay, I am going to order some jewelries from Amazon and I'm going to review it for you all, and my review is going to be very genuine. And I'm also going to show you all some of my watches. I'm saying some of my क्योंकि ना मैंने दो new watches लिया है. I unboxed it yesterday and oh my god, it's so pretty. I can't wait to wear it out. Now let's begin the video. Okay, जब भी आप earrings लोगे ना, then keep this in your mind that you have to get anti-tarnish jewelry and stainless steel only. I know मार्केट में इतना सस्ता earrings आपको मिलेगा, but you don't have to get सस्ता वाला earrings क्योंकि it won't last you. So you have to get good stainless steel या anti-tarnish jewelry only. It will cost you around 350, 299, 450 ऐसा, but trust me, it will last you for very long time. I'm going to start with this one. इसका packaging ऐसा आया था and it's very pretty. I like this very much. It looks like this, guys. इतना प्रिटी लग रही है. I don't really know okay guys कि jewelry haul कैसा करते हैं, but I am going to try my best. This is the size, guys. इतना भी बड़ा नहीं है, इतना भी छोटा नहीं है. This is how it looks. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section. I तो really love it and I feel like ये अपना ऐसा dressy outfit में भी पहन सकते हैं क्योंकि look at the detailing, and आप ऐसा basic outfit में भी पहन सकते हैं and it is going to elevate your outfit for sure. I love this and it was so affordable. And this is thoda heavy, so this is giving rich vibe. Not gonna lie, I love thoda heavy earrings. I know ऐसा heavy earrings नहीं पहनना चाहिए, but पहनने के बाद जो feel है ना, वो ऐसा heavy earrings में ही है. Now moving on to my next one, I love chunky earrings, okay? और ना मेरे को ऐसा बड़ा earrings बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So this is the next one and this तो I have since like months and months, and this is one of my favorite. और मेरे को ना खास करके ऐसे इयरिंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगते हैं जिसका ऑलरेडी हुक ऐसा अटैच होता है. साइज इज सो गुड. लेट मी पुट इट ऑन एंड शो यू ऑल. और जब भी मैं ऐसे इयरिंग्स लेती हूँ ना, देन आई गो फॉर लाइक चंकी इयरिंग्स. आई लव दिस गाइज, लव द साइज एंड ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. What do you guys think about this earring? Do let me know in the comment section. Moving on to my next earring, it looks like this. This is in a round shape and it has थोड़ा सा detailing. Again, इसका अपना ही hook attached है. Let me put on this for you all. I don't know guys कि earrings haul कैसा करते हैं. Basically मेरे जो भी earrings है, they are all anti-tarnish, so you can trust me क्योंकि this will last you forever. मैंने ये कितने बारी कहा है, but yeah. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आप इतना नॉर्मल सा आउटफिट पहना है and you just want something like कुछ तो चाहिए जो आपका नॉर्मल सा आउटफिट को इतना भी नॉर्मल नहीं दिखाओ. So at that time you can put on this earring. So pretty. I have been wearing this a lot lately and I really like it. अगर आपको पतला earrings पसंद है then this one is for you क्योंकि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतला है as you guys can see. Now almost the same but थोड़ा shape different है. It looks like this. This has थोड़ा rectangle वाला shape में. Again, this is anti-tarnish. I feel like अगर आप black dress पहनोगे ना, उसके साथ ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला है because the shape is giving that vibe. It's so simple and so pretty. Earrings are one of the best thing क्योंकि it can literally elevate your outfit. Here's the close-up and the detailing is so good and this is very patla. But it is थोड़ा सा heavy. Mostly जो भी earrings मैंने आपको दिखाया ना, सब थोड़ा heavy है because it is stainless steel. Now moving on to my last one. This is one of my favorite one. First thing क्योंकि I love ऐसा chunky earrings and I love जिसमें ऐसा hook होता है and it is in heart shape, guys. I didn't expect this earring to be so chunky, guys, but I love the shape and also love the size. I've been wearing this earring almost every day because this is so comfortable and it looks so good. Like, look at this, guys. Chunky earrings are so pretty. I love this. Okay, I'm going to wear this for the rest of this video because this was my last earring. And now let me show you all my watches. Oh my god, I am so excited. मैंने ये कल ही unbox किया था and yeah, let me show you all the one which I wanted for a very long time. This is from the brand Casio. I have been wanting this watch since last year. Not gonna lie, I was going to get it for my birthday also, but then ना ये stock में रहता ही नहीं है क्योंकि this went out of stock really quickly और अभी भी ना ये ऐसा middle में थोड़ा सा stock में आता है and then it gets out of stock really quickly. So recently मैंने देखा कि Amazon में ये stock में था, so so I decided to get it. You guys are not ready for this. This is so pretty. I love the dial, guys, and I also love the strap so much. It looks so classy. This was in my wish list for the longest time, seriously guys. और ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा expensive है. It's around 3,600 ऐसा, जो मैं इतना भी expensive नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि आजकल कपड़ा भी इतना ही रेट में है. But ये ना इतना out of stock रहता है. So this time I just decided to get it, and it looks so cool, guys. I need to adjust the strap, so I'll do it later. But this is so cute, and you know what, guys? This will go perfectly with my bracelet. These are the only bracelet I own. मैंने ये आपको लास्ट ईयर भी दिखाया था एंड इट हैज नॉट चेंज गाइस. मैं ये अभी भी यही ब्रेसलेट पहनती हूँ. मैंने ये ब्रेसलेट लास्ट ईयर लिया था एंड अभी तक इसका कलर गया नहीं है एंड आई वेयर इट अ लॉट. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों ने मेरे को कितने बारी पहनते हुए देखा होगा. लेट मी टेल यू ऑल व्हाट आई लाइक द मोस्ट अबाउट दिस वॉच. ये वॉच का जो डायल है ना, दैट्स माई फेवरेट क्योंकि इसका जो डायल है इट्स गिविंग वेरी क्लासी वाला वाइब, which I like. And yeah, also I would highly recommend you all this bracelet क्योंकि this bracelet has been with me for more than a year now और इसका कलर अभी तक भी नहीं गया है. That's why I say go for anti tarnish jewelry क्योंकि it will last you forever and you can style this in so many ways. ये आप अकेला भी पहन सकते हैं, ये आप साथ में भी पहन सकते हैं, and it plays a very important role when you have to stack the jewelry. So yeah, it looks really cute. Now let's try on the next watch and you guys are going to love the second watch that I'm going to show you all. I was really excited for this watch, but you know what, guys? I love this one more, and this is from the brand Sonata. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इतना अच्छा आएगा. Got this just for the dial क्योंकि इसका डायल इतना pretty है, and also इसका स्ट्रैप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Basically everything is good about this watch. और इसका प्राइस भी 1,700 ऐसे ही था, which I feel like it's a very good price. You know, there is a reason why I got this. Actually, I didn't want to purchase another bracelet. I was like, I want to get a watch plus bracelet. Look at the dial, so pretty, and also the straps are so tiny and so cute, guys. I am definitely going to be wearing this a lot. So I have total of 4 watches and it was high time to upgrade. So these are my 2 new watches. I'm so happy with my purchase, guys. I love it. And if you want another recommendation for bracelet, then I would highly recommend you all this one क्योंकि I have been wearing this since last year और इसका कलर अभी तक गया नहीं है and the detailing is so pretty. It goes well with all the outfit, guys, and it looks like this. इसमें और भी बहुत सारे कलर्स आते हैं, but then I went with white. And yeah, with that we are done with this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and comment this emoji for this video. And do let me know in the comment section ki what would you like to watch next. I will think about it. Bye guys, take care.